Hello guys, welcome back to another video about smooth low potion. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the smooth low potion coin, SLP coin. What's going on in the SLP? Let me show you guys the latest update of the SLP coin. Guys, first of all, the currently live price of SLP in the market is 0.16168 USD dollar. That is the live price of the SLP in the market. In other side, if you look the changes of the SLP coin, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes open, the SLP is completely negative. The price decrease speedily, and from a long time the SLP coin price dumps. So that's why guys, please I recommend for you, if you want to buy now SLP coin, so don't buy this time SLP, because now it is a bait time, and when the price start pumping, so after that I recommend for you to buy now, because now you can see here completely the price decrease. So guys, don't buy SLP coin now this time. Anyways guys, remember that I'm not a financial advisor, and absolutely I know about the future of SLP coin, that the future of SLP is bright, but if you want to buy, so you have to hold for a long time. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.